here I have to kind of look 4 different times so nobody's ramming into the intersection. Oh, they paved this. That's good. Yeah, slow, but at least. Wow.
More variety from the 2000s to the 90s and today.
Star 1013.
Wow, what are they doing here?
Oh, yeah.
21st and 11th, yeah. Tree trimming?
Could be, yeah. 'Cause I know that, yeah, I know they have to do that. PG&E's actually doing that too. Yeah, especially because of the power lines, trying to like avoid a disaster. Yeah. Oh yeah. Not even kind of a lane or turn lane, but who cares? It's not long for us.
I did that.
That's a lot.
You're right, but
No, it's a lot of people saw comments and like were complaining about that, like very impatient people all over the place, and just, oh yeah, like, yes,